Hello. Look what I've got. Dust Tactics stuff. I've never done any of this yet. Let's take a look. Now, I may have been a little bit naughty and already unpacked it and opened it and assembled some of it, all of it. But I haven't painted it or anything like that yet. See? Here it is. The VK stash for Dust Tactics. One palette. 6 VK containers. Now, they don't come pre-assembled. I did that because I was naughty. They come in this many pieces. Sorry. But they do come with decals. And I am looking forward to assembling this properly and painting it and all the good stuff. Here's a quick assemble guide. It's all notched and all goes one way. Thing. I'll put this away for now. I've got more. These ones I haven't opened. Put that back in the box. Onto the American Flyer. Now these are in kit form, not primed form, due to I was lazy. And they don't, the website I bought this from don't do the primed models anymore, which is annoying. But the Storm Striker. It looks absolutely hideous, but oh well. Yeah, one of these ones. Oh look, I like these ones. Really good packing materials. They're inflatable airbags. Oh man, this is quite a lot. Yep. There's the cards for play. Put that to the side. Let's take a look at the planes. Well, they're plain. Base, torpedoes, engine cowling. Okay. This is more like a Lego set than a model kit. That's kind of cool. Ah, the sides of the aircraft. The central bit. Oh, sweet, that's a bit of plastic, not a thing. Man, that's a lot of pieces. Oh, here's the base. I like these bases. They like got like a piece of sheet steel with bolts all the way around. I really like that. Now onto this bag. We got the pilot. I like this packaging. Water slides, the stand, and the cockpit window. This is really nice. I like this. Let's turn the light on and get some more light. That's really nice. Here's the plane again. This almost looks like it's been 3D printed, not... Yeah, this is all 3D printed. But I'm guessing resin 3D print. That is kind of nice. I like that a lot. This is the Dust Tactics, Dust 1947. I really like this. Makes everything cleaner. Thumbs up for them. Now let's put this back in the box. And move on to everything else I've got. But this looks like stamped plastic parts. So that's 3D. No, that could be. Yeah, that looks like 3D print. This looks like standard plastic molding. Let's bag it back up and move on to the next one. I look forward to assembling this on live stream, maybe. No, wait, there's a definitely machine. There's definitely forged and cast or whatever. Plastic. No, you don't. May assemble this on live stream just for the hell of it. Onto this one. This is a starter set for the Luftwaffe. With one of the heavy version of the German aircraft, which I love. Again, cool plastic baggy thing. Yeah. They've also got the new rocket system. Hang on. This is for the troopers on the ground. It's a rocket launcher of some sort. Uses a smart rocket. Here we go. The plane. Beast story. The bit I more care about. Ah, yes. The central body. Looks familiar, doesn't it? That's because it's based off the Horten 229. The German stealth fighter. But this one's a jump jet, which is really cool. See? That's all the jump jet components. Oh, yes. And this one also comes with the antennas. Oop, more small baggies of stuff. Ooh. Yeah, we got... Oh. Cockpit and fins. And engine cowling. Undermounted machine gun turret. Crew. Cockpit glass. Oh, this is the multi-variant. Nope. Looks like I may have to buy another one. Oh joy. Yes, I'm going to have to buy another one of these because it does not have the rocket. There's another version of this with a giant rocket that goes underneath. Look at that. Looks so cool. Pull this back in the thing. May assemble this on live stream too. Onto the troops. Here's some standard Axis troops. Well, Luftwaffe troops. Oh, that's kind of neat. Belt machine gun. anti-air unit, rifleman with Panzerfist, rifleman with Panzerfist, machine gunner, anti-tank rocket launcher, machine gunner, MG42 machine gun, another air unit, and another machine gunner. I'm guessing he's the captain. Now, these are all coming out of China, but it's mostly coming designed in the US. But let's look at this one again. This is the rocket squad. Ooh, comes with a bit of wire? Nope, piece of rubber. Oh, machine gunner with terminal. Support machine gunner. Ooh, they even tape an important bits down for you. See, that's the rocket launcher. I really like these. Neat and tidy. Here's two squads. Standard commando squad, something like commando squad, yep. And here's a anti-tank troop. Oh yes. Here's observers. Let's open this little box up. Ah, little more easy. The data card. Let's look at this now. Oh, well, that makes it easy. I'm guessing these are how they usually come. Pre-primed and ready for battle. Yep, this is a pre-primed box. I forgot about that one. Engineer, soldier, rocket guy. Now let's put it back and take a look at the rest. Now remember, Dust Tactics is also Dust 1947. So if you see Dust Tactics stuff on eBay, grab it. And you can buy new cards on eBay as well, because they made some updates. Now on to the Flying Man, or the Tank Hunters. This might be unassembled because I forgot which is which. Yep, priming. Now these guys actually come a little bit differently because they're flying units. Here's all their flying bases. a little bit awkward, but they work. I'll get one out so you can see the jetpack, because that's really cool. Here it is. One German Air Force rocket man with his jetpack and rocket launcher. Anti-tank work. Yeah, thankfully squads are easy to manage. Here's their data card. Later I'll be posting an image of all of them and the rest of my Axis at some point. Now onto the observers. Ooh, there you go, data card. This is only 2 units, so it should be quite easy. Man with binoculars and machine gun belt flapping around. Ooh, this guy's a radio guy with a machine gun. That's kind of cool. I've got more stuff coming. I'll show you that when I get it. Bye for now. Subscribe and like, please.